Do you have a lot of OS sensors in stock? Do you need to find the corresponding code and proofread the corresponding models? This is very annoying. Some programmable machines are expensive. Look here, my friend. This is our new product. Simple and practical programmable machine with OBD interface. I think it should be the function you want. Let's look at the function. This is a programmable sensor, metal gas nozzle. The sensor battery is Panasonic 2050. Now buy 48 sensors. You can give away a programmer. There are not many opportunities. You can contact me to place an order.